Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to check processor, CPU, and check hard drive health. To do that, we have to do a right click on our Windows or Start icon and click on Task Manager right here. From here, we can check the performance. You click on the Performance tab at the top part of this window. And first, we can check on the CPU. We can check on the graph and the utilization, the speed, the threads, the cores we have, and the logical processors that we have. If utilization is high, you can stop unwanted applications that makes the utilization high. So around 25 or 30% is good. Maybe above 50% is kinda using it too high, and you might have to stop the other applications that make the utilization high to improve your computer's performance. Next, what we have to check on is the memory. So the memory usage I currently have is pretty high. It is at 88%, and if your memory seems to not be enough, you can increase your RAM and upgrade your computer to make it run faster. Mine is currently high in memory since I have multiple applications opened. You can try closing them and stop some processes to have more memory available. Now we can also see our hard drives right here. If you're using a normal hard drive like this one, it's HDD, you can switch to SSD, which can make your computer faster. You can also check on the graph, and it should be less than 10% to make that disk healthy. Next, we have to check on the app history. We can see the apps and the network it uses, and you can also uninstall unwanted apps that you don't use. You can also click on startup right here, and these are the apps that open during the startup. So you can click on one and disable it during the startup to make your computer turn on faster. And you can also uninstall applications. To do that, you can just search for uninstall. Or we can also go to the control panel and uninstall a program right here. You can view it as by category, uninstall a program, and you can select the program that you don't use anymore and click on uninstall right there to make your computer faster. We can also then search for CMD and open up the command prompt and run it as administrator. Click on it, click on yes, and what we're going to type in here is sfc /scan now. Once you have entered that, hit enter, and it should scan your computer and find bugs and fix it for you. You can wait for this and have those bugs fixed for your computer. And that is how you can basically check processor, CPU, and check hard drive health. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.